Finally, wait is over and ChroPath 3.0 is live now. So let's see what all new features and new things are there in ChroPath. Those who are seeing it first time, ChroPath is a developer tool to generate unique relative XPath, absolute XPath, and CSS selectors. It can also be used as an editor for to verify your selectors. So after adding the ChroPath in your Chrome browser, just restart once your Chrome browser and you are all set. Now open any website. So let's open any website. Here right click on any node whichever you want to inspect. Here you can see in left side elements tab, on the right side couple of tabs are there, and the last one is the ChroPath tab. So if it is like somewhere hidden like this, you just click on this double arrow icon. Don't worry, it is there only. After adding it will come here. So just click on this. So for better visibility I would suggest expand it. So here you can see this is the complete new UI of the ChroPath. Here you can see in just single tab you're getting all types of selectors, relative, absolute, CSS selector. You need not to change the drop down value to get other selectors. As soon as you open the ChroPath tab, you got the generated selector for the inspected one, so you need not to click it again. So this is the UI part. Along with this, you can see in front of each type of selectors, you can see copy button is there, and the edit icon is as well is there. So if you want to like edit this selectors, you click on this, it will paste the value in the input box. You need not to worry about copy pasting in the box, it will do it for you. Now you can edit the relative XPath according to you if you want to change it anything. So this is the new UI, which is very lightweight and neat and clean. And the best feature which I would say in ChroPath 3.0 is the algo, which has been improved a lot for generating the relative XPath. So let me show you one scenario here. Just open any website here. So this was the ChroPath 2.0. With the ChroPath 2 we used to get the relative XPath like this. If you see here for this node, so there it used to traverse through all the siblings till the unique parents for that particular node which we are inspecting. So it used to give little uh, long XPath, relative XPath. But with the ChroPath 3.0, let's see what we are going to get. So as you can see here, we inspect this element. So as you can see, this is the relative XPath. Click on edit icon. So here you can see this is the one which we are going to get it. So just paste both the value here, better view. So ChroPath with 2.0, this was we used to get, and this is what we are gonna get with ChroPath 3.0. So much optimization has been done. So like all the siblings will not come along with the relative XPath. So this is like very robust and unique, of course. So this you can directly use in your script and can save a lot of time. Apart from this, the new UI and the XPath optimization, couple of features has been added, like you will get the proper error message for any element which is like for which we cannot write the selectors. So if you click on this comment by mistakes, if somebody has like clicked on comment and looking for like why we can't generate the selectors for these, so this is actually the comment. So it will give you the proper error message here, like it whether it is a comment, sudo, svg. So you will get to know that this is as a comment, so it can't be selectors can't be right for this one. Likewise, if any element is pseudo, if you click on that, it will tell you that it might be the child of pseudo element or svg or something like that. So similarly, like we have seen comment and pseudo elements, we'll see what about the svg. So for svg, it will give you the relative XPath and absolute all type of selectors. But like as we all know, we can't write the selectors for the child node of the SVG as it is the image. So if you will click on that child node of SVG element, it will give you the proper error message that it might be the child of SVG element. And also, like currently ChroPath is not supporting iframe. So for iframe, like children's of iframe, so for iframe, if you inspect iframe, it will give you the proper relative XPath and all types of selectors. But if you click on any child node of the iframe, it will give you the proper error message that element is inside iframe and it is not supported currently by ChroPath. So you can write it manually. So these are bunch of new features which has been added in ChroPath 3.0, as well as like if you want to uh, verify your selectors, so you need not to like worry about to change the, if you want to verify the CSS or XPath. So earlier you used to switch between the tabs here, but now you can verify your XPath here itself, and as well as like if any class you can verify here itself. You need not to change it, the drop down value. So there itself you can verify your CSS selectors as well as XPath. Now let's say what all other features of ChroPath. These are the new features which has been added, all which we have seen so far. Also, like if you want to use the like old UI of the ChroPath and you don't want to see all the selectors, you can just change the drop down value to relative XPath. It will give you can just play around with this absolute XPath or anything, whichever you want. So you need not to uh, be stick with the selectors, all types of selectors here. Now we'll see other features of ChroPath. So let's say if you want to verify any element, and like if you want to verify, let's say we want to verify our selector, so double forward slash, let's say h2, we want to verify the selectors and we don't know where is that element inside in this screen. So as soon as you will click on this, as soon as you will type and press enter, it will scroll to that matching node, scroll that element to the viewable area if it is somewhere hidden. So as you have seen, like that first matching node was hidden somewhere and we pressed enter, it scroll the window and it gives all the extracted element here. You can see 1 2 3, and it has added the XPath attribute in the matching node. So like you will easily get it to know that this is the first matching node, this second, third, fourth. And like here in the UI you can see 1 2 3 4 5, you can see are highlighted, but where are rest of the elements? So as soon as you mouse over on here in the ChroPath tab on the matching nodes, it will scroll that particular element in the viewable area. So you need not to worry where are those elements. So it's also helps a lot while debugging and verifying the selectors. Also, like if you let's say your element is hidden somewhere and you clicked on here in this matching in the DOM, so it will also scroll that element in the viewable area. Let's say this is hidden somewhere and you clicked on this h1 node here and you don't know where it is, that it will scroll that. So these are bunch of features about ChroPath is also available in dark theme. If you want to enjoy the dark theme, just click on this three dots here in the devtools panel, click on settings and change this light to dark and come back here, and you can enjoy the amazing view of the ChroPath dark theme. So you click on here and you will get all the amazing UI of 3.0. So yeah, that's all about the new features and the existing features. Please do leave your review comments by clicking on this and help others to know tool, and so that like they can also save their manual effort which they are putting it today while writing and verifying the selectors. What you need, you can write it me here. Also I have provided the support icon here. You can click on this icon and it will land you to my LinkedIn page, so there you can directly connect with me leave me message if any. ChroPath is also available for Firefox. If you want to use this tool in Firefox, you can add it to your Firefox browser. Also, like if you click on this ChroPath icon on the top right corner, you will get uh, at least basic info about it to start with. So yeah, that's all about ChroPath 3.0. Thank you so much. Thank you.